Big tech companies tend to ask this advanced binary search coding question. So given a rotated sorted array with distinct numbers and a target value, return the index of the target. Now what is a rotated sorted array? Let's say we want to rotate the array 3 times. We want to move the last elements to the front and repeat the process 3 times. Let's say we're given this rotated sorted array and a target value of 0. The value 0 is located at index 4, so we can return 4. Now the brute force approach will be to visit each of the numbers until we hit the target value. Since the array is sorted and rotated, we can implement a binary search approach. For each of the middle value, the left or the right side will be sorted. If the middle value is greater than the value on the left side, that means the left side is sorted. If target is within the range, we will search leftward, else we will search rightward. And also, if the middle value is less than the value on the right side, that means the right side is sorted. If target is within the range, we can search rightward, else we can search leftward. Let's implement the function search, taking the input array and target, break the left and right pointer. While there are still elements left, calculate the middle index. If the value at the middle is equal to target, return the index. If the left side is sorted and target is within the range, search leftward, else search rightward. Now if the right side is sorted and target is within the range, search rightward, else search leftward. Return -1 if we have failed to find the target.